Not pretty in here at all. Wow. There we go. Oh, that's a big fish. It's another big fish. Come on, baby, stay on. Stay on. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another episode of Fly Fish Dan. I'm up in the Cascade Mountains today exploring for wild cutthroat and rainbow trout. It is an incredible place. The snow is still melting. There's still a ton of snow, but the wildflowers are just starting to bloom and it's absolutely gorgeous. Some of these purple flowers, you can literally just smell the aroma as you walk up to them. I mean, it's so beautiful. Nothing better than being up here in the Cascade Mountains and just fly fishing for these amazing fish. All right, let's get geared up and head down to the creek. We are geared up and ready to go, and I'm super excited about this. Introducing my new bamboo fly rod. This is my first bamboo fly rod I've ever owned. It's a 5-weight. It's made by Flying Fox Tackle Company, and a guy by the name of Neil, he reached out to me and offered to build me this absolute masterpiece. I mean, I can still smell the varnish. I mean, that's how new it is. Super excited to use this rod, and you guys really should check out his custom rods. I got an opportunity to see his shop and some of his work, and it is top notch and affordable. He's got fly rods that he builds that starts just over $200, then going all the way up to these custom. And he'll do anything for you, customize completely, right down to the rod tube. So pretty excited to catch my first fish on this gorgeous bamboo setup. So let's get in there and catch a fish. Let's do this, fish on. So this spot's pretty special. First time I ever fished this small stream, I hooked into just an impressive west slope cutthroat. Let's see if we can pull another one out of this hole. Oh, fish on! Wow. Oh, that's a big fish. Oh my God. Oh, please stay on. Look at the size of this fish. Oh no. Oh, that was huge. Oh, that was huge. Oh my God, that was a huge fish. I pinched the barb. I noticed I still had the barb pinched. Oh, that was a big fish. I gotta take a minute to recover. That was probably the fish of the day that I lost there. It was bigger than the one that I caught the last time I was here on a dry. I mean, I don't know if you could see it on film, but it was fat. It had a lot of color. Man, I just wanted to see that thing so bad. I just got to take a minute because I don't know about you, when you lose a really big fish like that to where it could be like your personal best on this stream, it stings a little bit. So I just need to take a minute. Just need to take a minute to recover. Wow. All right, I think I'm emotionally recovered now. As much as I'll be, anyway. Oh, that was a tank. Man, I'm starting to see some dry takes. I gotta pay attention to that. We got a dry setup. So there's the advantage of having this O-Pro. So I was able to put the other setup away, and I just so happened to have a dry setup that looks very similar to what's flying around here. Gray wolf. Let's see if I can pick up that fish that's rising over there. There we go. Fish on. Nice. Sweet, just had to time him. Came up and swiped at it, and then hooked him in the side. Look at this guy. Beautiful fish. Sweet. Go. Nice. Oh, long release. That makes it easy when the little ones come off like that. I don't want the big ones coming off like that. Oh, that's looking good. It's looking really good. I need to kind of be stealthful here. Oh no, that was another big fish. Oh my God. Oh, just smashed it. Yeah, it's gorgeous in here. Such good looking water too. Wow. Look at this canyon behind me. Look at that. Wow. Pretty amazing. There we go. Oh, that's a big fish. It's another big fish. Come on, baby, stay on. Stay on. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Big old cutthroat. Get in the net. Get in the net. Oh, yes. Oh, look at that. That was a good change up with the TJ hooker. Oh my God, that's a beautiful fish. Seriously. Oh, he's just a warrior too, beat up. Look at this guy. Wow. Beautiful. Oh. Yes. I did the change up. Tied the TJ hooker on the back of the big streamer, the Sculpsilla, and that worked. What a beautiful fish. Redemption. Oh, there's a big fish on the swing. It's a good fish. Oh yeah, that is a good fish. Nice. Took the TJ hooker on the swing. Look at this guy. Pretty fish. Wow. Thank you very much. Sweet. So once you start fishing rivers a lot, you're just gonna have a sense on where they hide. So you can see how it's real bright sun, and it goes into the shade, and it also kind of drops off into a deeper pool. And that fish was hanging out right there, right off that edge, underneath the tree, kind of close to the cut bank that's on the other side. And I just had that feeling that it was gonna happen once I casted, and sure enough, there he was. So there's your fly fishing pro tip of the trip. There we go. That's a bigger fish. Oh yeah. Just trying to catch up to it. Oh my God. It's incredible the size of these fish in this tiny little stream. Look at this guy. Holy crap. Holy crap. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh, wow. Oh my God. Look at the size of this thing. Seriously. Let you go, buddy. Look at this thing. That is an impressive fish. Holy crap. Oh, wow. Oh, big fish, another big, massive fish in there. I don't dare try to get it on the reel. Wow, it's a good fish. On the reel. Oh my God. I cannot believe the size of these fish in here. This is incredible. This tiny little stream. Oh, this is a good fish. Oh. Spunky. Oh yeah, beautiful fish. Jeez. Oh, another just monster. Unbelievable. Come on, baby. Oh, it's all right. I played him out. I just wish I could have showed you. Oh my God. It's all right. The only thing missing there was the ability to show you, but I think I got close enough to it. You could probably see just how pretty that fish was. What a great fish. All right, everybody. And hey, if you're new to fly fishing and need a little help with your fly fishing cast, I put together a tutorial right here that'll help you cast just a little bit further the next time you're out fly fishing. All right, everybody, until the next time, fish on.